Low value is a term often associated with people in society who seem to lack direction, motivation and a clear path in life. Today, more and more people are moving away from traditional values and embracing a lifestyle that is focused on higher self-esteem, success and recognition in life. While some people are naturally high-value individuals, others need to work on their value, so they can enjoy a fulfilling and successful life. So, how do you know if you are a low-value individual? Do you recognize any of the following symptoms in your behavior? If you do, then it's time to make some changes to that end. Here are the 10 signs of low-value individual. Number 10. They live to impress others. Low-value men are always trying to impress others. They need constant validation from others in order to feel good about themselves. They live their lives for the approval of others. They are always trying to one-up others and show off their accomplishments. Low-value men are insecure and lack confidence. They are always looking for ways to make themselves look better than others. Number 9. They are addicted. Low-value men are addicted to a number of things: drugs, alcohol, cigarettes, pornography, video games, and so on. They're also addicted to their own low opinion of themselves. They believe that they're not good enough for anything or anyone, so they settle for second best. They're afraid to take risks, because they might fail. And even if they do succeed, they don't believe that they deserve it. They're always looking for the easy way out, because they don't think they're capable of doing anything the hard way. They're always looking for someone to rescue them, because they don't think they can rescue themselves. In short, low-value men are addicted to their own low opinion of themselves. And it's a vicious cycle, because the more they fail, the more they believe that they're failures. Number 8. They are unhealthy and weak. There is a reason why low-value men are generally unhealthy and weak. They don't take care of themselves. They don't eat right, they don't exercise, and they don't get enough sleep. This combination of factors leads to an overall decline in health, and it's only natural that this would show up in their physical appearance. Low-value men are also more likely to suffer from mental health issues, which can further exacerbate their physical health problems. In short, low-value men are their own worst enemies when it comes to their health and well-being. Number 7. Never invest in themselves. Low-value men don't invest in themselves. They don't see the point in spending money on things that will make them look and feel better. They'd rather just stay in their comfort zone, even if it means being unhappy. They don't realize that by investing in themselves, they could be opening up a whole new world of possibilities. They could find new hobbies, make new friends, and generally just have a better time. But they'll never know unless they take the first step and invest in themselves. Number 6. They have low self-confidence. Low self-confidence can be a major obstacle in life. It can prevent you from achieving your goals and reaching your full potential. People who lack self-confidence often miss out on opportunities and end up living lives of quiet desperation. If you don't believe in yourself, it's very difficult to convince others to believe in you. Low self-confidence can be a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you think you're not good enough, you probably won't be. But it doesn't have to be this way. With a little effort, you can learn to boost your self-confidence and become the successful, confident person you know you can be. Number 5. Blame others to their failure. There are many people in this world who are quick to blame others for their own failures. These people are usually of low character and have little to no self-awareness. They are the type of people who are always looking for someone else to blame when things go wrong. This is because they lack the strength of character to take responsibility for their own actions. These low-value individuals will always find someone else to point the finger at when things don't go their way. They will never take responsibility for their own actions and will always try to shift the blame onto someone else. This is a sign of weakness and cowardice. These people are not to be trusted and should be avoided at all costs. Number 4. They are unmotivated and lazy. Low-value men are often unmotivated and lazy. They may not have the drive or ambition to succeed in life. This can make them feel worthless and unfulfilled. They may turn to substance abuse or other unhealthy coping mechanisms to deal with their low self-esteem. If you are in a relationship with a low-value man, you may find yourself feeling frustrated and unfulfilled. You may want to consider whether or not this is the right relationship for you. Number 3. Always surrounded by other low-value persons. A low-value man is someone who always surrounds himself with low-value people. He is someone who is constantly seeking out relationships with people who are of little worth or significance. He does this because he feels that it makes him look better by comparison. A low-value man is someone who is always looking for a way to improve his own standing by putting himself in close proximity to those who are beneath him. He is someone who is always trying to find a way to make himself feel better by making others feel worse. Number 2. They are not loyal. Low-value men are not loyal. They are often unfaithful and their word means nothing. They will do whatever it takes to get what they want, regardless of who gets hurt in the process. They are often self-centered and only care about their own needs and desires. They are not to be trusted and should be avoided at all costs. Number 1. They don't sacrifice for what they want. Low-value men don't sacrifice for what they want because they don't think it's worth it. They don't see the point in putting in the hard work when they can just get by without it. This might work for some things, but in the long run, it's not going to get them what they really want. They need to learn that sacrificing for what they want is worth it, because it's the only way to get what they truly desire. We hope you gained something from today's video. If you like the information provided and would like to see more, please feel free to subscribe to our channel and visit our website to learn even more about signs of low-value individual. Thank you for watching.